welcome back to Tyler and Anna Talk. My name is Anna.
And I'm Tyler, and we're nutritionists at Beach Medical.
So today we're going to be discussing how to stay healthy on Labor Day. So Labor Day is coming up
Next week.
and it's going to be a hot one, and we just want to share how you can follow a carb-free after 3 diet and how you can just stay healthy, drink tons of water. So we're going to share some tips with you guys.
Yeah, and it's totally okay to splurge while a holiday happens, but you also don't want to go so overboard that it completely sabotages everything you're doing.
Absolutely.
So there's definitely little things that we can do along the way, during those parties or before those parties. And
yeah, absolutely. I know a lot of people have a cookout for Labor Day, and it's usually in the evening. So if you are planning on going to a cookout, make sure you still eat breakfast and lunch. In our past videos, we always said don't skip meals if you're planning on having a big shindig or a big cookout. So that's important.
Yeah, don't just try and conserve all your calories because you know you're going to eat a ton. You can be reasonable while you're out at those parties, but definitely eat along the day. That way you're not so ravenous and overdoing it come party time. You can still eat at the party, but you don't need to eat everything.
Yes.
People love to send their leftovers home with you, so you won't miss out.
Always,
you won't miss out.
Always have leftovers. And then definitely fill up on vegetables.
People do those salads, cucumber salads or salads in general.
And then kebabs that are filled with vegetables and chicken.
That's a really smart option, especially if you're hosting or you're asked to bring something. Kebab is easy to make, and yes, you can pack on veggies onto it, which is good. And then a lot of people do go to the pool or the beach on Labor Day, so why not be active? So you can go to the beach, jump waves, walk on the beach, play volleyball, just stay active, because it's always good just to be out and about and just have fun while doing it, and then you kind of work up an appetite. Yeah, and stay hydrated. That's another big one. Lots and lots and lots and lots of water, just because you'll probably be dehydrated anyway, because it is so hot and you're going to be active. It's good to keep that replenished, but it also helps you eat a little bit less and fill you up, and just makes you feel better.
And I also think Labor Day, it's kind of an easy holiday too to stay healthy, because a lot of the stuff is grilled, so that's good. So if you are having a hamburger or grilled chicken, you can take the bun off, or you can have grilled chicken and vegetables. You don't have to have a heavy casserole for Christmas or Thanksgiving. It is kind of
a later
easier
holiday, you're right,
to do that. So have some grilled chicken, always have vegetables. I have a good turkey recipe we're going to post next week. So just different options that you can do to stay on track.
You don't have to be guilty about a burger either, but do you need both buns? Do you need to eat 3 burgers with other buns too? No, you can just be smart, and a burger is fine if you can cut off some bread or pull some off. That's gonna only benefit you. And there's more protein and vegetables.
There's good pasta salad, so it's okay. I know we love carb-free after 3, but if you want some pasta salad, just think okay, maybe I'll have it for lunch, or I can have a little bit at 3 or 4, and then just fill up on protein and vegetables afterwards. So it's super easy to stay healthy on Labor Day. Just make sure you drink tons of water, have your vegetables, protein, stay active,
eat before you go out. That really is a big one, I think.
So I hope y'all have a great Labor Day.
Yeah,
and if you guys have any comments or suggestions on how you stay healthy during the holidays, please share them below. We would love to do a Christmas, Thanksgiving, Halloween video. So
all the recipes you want to give and ideas.
That would be fun.
Yeah. So. And just another point is that we're closed on Labor Day this year. So just FYI there that we won't be open like we usually are. So have fun.
So enjoy.
Yeah,
bye, you guys. See you next week. Bye.